Up there in Montreal, Canada, that would probably dispute that. There's probably a few people in Massachusetts, New York.
What am I seeing in front of us?
It appears that there's a large vehicle out there. You think that there's a lot of options? You think that could be what you call angle parking?
7382 Lexington Avenue to assist fire with a general fire alarm.
How long do you think that's been there?
6-4.
Well, let's go check it out.
Looks like the airbags may have deployed.
There's no doubt about that. Now let's just see if there's anybody in there.
7134, can I get the last four of my CN, please? Last four of your CN are 1551.
Hit this car.
You're welcome. 2325.
I'll send you this P2 Commission meeting. I lock in front of the room. Live video shows the room quite now inside the interior and all seeing the colors in the business and those things. Check it out. Thank you.
Hi. Did you call?
No, I didn't because I literally just walked up. I have two small kids upstairs that I can't really leave too long. So
Right.
I don't know. I didn't want to walk up to the car because I don't know who's in there.
There's nobody in it. It looks like they took off.
Did you hear the noise or not?
7130 courtesy transport.
No, I didn't.
Nope.
That's why I'm so confused.
Well, the car is locked, folks. There's nobody in there. The car's locked, so they obviously left. Should we run it?
Yeah. We're gonna run the plate here, and
Well, we'll get a squad.
we'll get a St. Paul car to come by.
Okay.
What unit are you in?
205.
Okay.
Yeah, I can just. Okay, thank you.
You bet.
Was it 701?
Yeah.
Auto from 1634 Eldridge Avenue.
701 East 3rd. Let's see if it's stolen first before we...
Nope.
Where's it registered to? Oh, Milton.
North Milton, right off of Summit.
Well, you got channel 3 on. Let's see if they'll send a car. That's her car that got hit?
Yep. Can you back up a little bit so I can get that plate too?
Good idea. Approach by citizen.
2755.
Oops.
2755.
Yeah, we've been approached by a citizen who wants to report their car accident in front of 701 East 3rd Street. It looks like the striking vehicle, which is Hotel X-Ray Delta 537,
I'll get the other one.
has been abandoned with an airbag deployment. And it's a white Audi that was hit. The complainant is going to be in apartment 205. And her plate number is Juliet Uniform Papa 044.
And it's still obstructed.
And the striking vehicle is sticking out into the middle of the street and locked up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a flip started.
Take up.
Go ahead.
You could create a call and send me the EP.
Copy.
Oh, well, we're waiting for them to get here. I'm going to give a shout out to our friend James Gustafson.
Yeah, he's a really active backseater.
Yeah. His 75th birthday.
Hang on a second. We'll just check that. Somebody's going to shoot up a place. Channel 2.
Copy.
Foundry.
Oh, Jesus.
2329.
And 213.
Sounds like the comp